Hey, I'm so glad you joined me today. Get comfortable and watch as I show you how to make healthy Klondike bars. Let's do it. I've soaked my unsalted cashews for over 2 hours. Then I drained them, rinsed them, and now I'm going to pour them into my Ninja. Now I'm going to add frozen overripe bananas. 1 cup of silk almond coconut blend milk, unsweetened. 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons of gluten-free organic peanut butter. Now we have our mixture. I'm going to pour it in my loaf pan that's lined with parchment paper. Now I'm going to put it in the freezer for 4 to 5 hours. Then I will take it out, slice it, and dip it in the chocolate. We'll come back and do that just a little later. So now I'm going to make the chocolate that's going to coat the outside. I have 5 tablespoons of refined coconut oil here. Now I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of Hershey's Cocoa 100% cacao. Now we're going to add 5 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now we're going to whisk it away. Now we're just going to slice our Klondike bars. And I have gloves on because if you know me, you know I don't like to get my fingers all sticky. So we're going to dip this in here. Put it on some parchment paper. Look how amazing this Klondike bar looks, and it's gonna taste so good. Yum. It's so easy, and any time of year is a great time of year for a Klondike bar. And the best part of these, they are gluten-free and dairy-free. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, my friend, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.